Hi there. Another data type in JavaScript is called Boolean. This data type is known as a logical data type because it stores logical values. For Boolean, there can be only two logical values, true or false. For example, say we have a Boolean variable called isAcar. Then we're going to have objects and check if they are cars or not. If it's not a car, the variable gets assigned the value false. And if it is a car, the variable gets assigned the value true. Alright, so how does a program actually tell whether something is true or false? Well, for that, let's move on to some practical examples. Let's create a variable called compare, and then we'll write 3 bigger than 5. From a mathematical point of view, this statement is wrong, since 3 is less than 5. So this means the inequality is false. So if we display the value of the variable in the console by using console.log, we're gonna get false. Now things are getting a bit more clear, right? Now let's change the sign to less than. Now we get true in the console, which means that the inequality is correct. Later you'll see that you can perform different actions depending on the value of the inequality. So if it is true, it will do one thing, and if it is false, it will do another. By the way, you can get the same value in the console by just typing 3 less than 5 directly in console.log function. But the difference is that the Boolean value of the comparison won't get saved anywhere. In JavaScript, it's possible to compare not only numbers, but other data types as well. For example, you can even compare strings. If we compare the letters A and C, in the alphabet, the letter A stands before the letter C. So A is considered less than C, and therefore the result is true. But if we replace A with M, the resulting value will be false, because M does not go before C, and in that sense, it's not less than C. Alright. So for our next example of how logical values can be used, let's quickly learn about a command called confirm. The confirm command is used to create a type of pop-up window. So the way it works, in the parentheses, you write a question which the user has to answer. And there can only be 2 answers, yes or no. By the way, what we call commands, alert, confirm, are called functions by programmers. For now, it will be enough to understand that function is simply another name for command. But later you'll learn more about what a function is. Let's take a look at how this confirm function works in practice. We write confirm, and then in single quotes we write a question. For example, are you 18 years of age or older? Let's refresh the page. Here we can either agree and press OK, or disagree and press cancel. So when this confirm function gets executed, we either get true if the user clicks OK, or false if the user clicks cancel. So this way you can learn about the user's choice. Okay, so then let's assign the value we get from our confirm function to the variable isAdult, and then we'll display this variable in the console. refresh the page, we click OK, and see true in the console. Once again, refresh the page, and if we click cancel this time, we see false in the console. You'll learn more about Boolean when you get to conditional statements. That's all. See you in the next video.